Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore an interesting feature in Microsoft Word that you might not know about, drop cap. If you want to make your text more engaging and artistic, don't miss this function. What is a drop cap in MS Word? A drop cap, also known as a large initial letter, is a feature in Word that allows you to create the first letter of a paragraph larger than the rest. This letter usually spans about 2 to 3 lines and enhances the aesthetic appeal of your document. Here's an example of a drop cap that you may have encountered when reading any book. How to create a drop cap in Word first. Open your Word document and place the cursor at any position in the paragraph where you want to create a drop cap. The cursor does not necessarily have to be at the beginning of the line, as the software will always create a drop cap for the first character of the paragraph. Next, with Office 365, you can use the search box and type drop cap, or go to the Insert tab on the toolbar. Here you will see an option named Drop Cap. There are 2 styles of drop caps that you can choose from, or select the Drop Cap options to customize the font, lines to drop, and the spacing between the drop cap and the text. Shortcut for using drop cap. Currently, Word does not have a specific shortcut for inserting a drop cap directly, but you can quickly access the Insert menu by pressing and holding the Alt key, then N. Release the mouse, then quickly press the 2 characters RC. The drop cap dialog box appears, and you can use the arrow keys to select options for the drop cap. I hope through this video you have gained a better understanding of how to use the drop cap feature to make your documents more impressive. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.